Hi, this is Mr. Rutherford. In this problem, we'll look at a real-world example. A parking garage charges customers $7.50 per hour or any fraction thereof. Draw a graph that represents this situation. Notice here that our total charge is always going to be a multiple of $7.50. So that means that after 1 hour, our charge is going to be $7.50. After 2 hours, our charge will be 2 times $7.50, which equals 15, and so on and so forth. So we're going to use a table to set up a table of values so that we can graph this situation. So in our table, x is equal to the number of hours, and c of x is going to be equal to our total charge. So first we have between 0 hours and 1 hour, we can write a compound inequality where x is greater than 0 hours and less than or equal to 1 hour. And we said that our charge would be $7.50. Between 1 and 2 hours, our inequality will be x is greater than 1 and less than or equal to 2. Our charge will be $15, as we said here when we multiplied 2 times $7.50. So next we'll have between 2 and 3 hours, our inequality will be x is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 3. So what we'll do is we'll multiply 3 times $7.50, which will give us $22.50. Next we have between the hours 3 and 4, so our inequality will be x is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 4. So we'll multiply 4 times $7.50, which gives us $30. And finally, we'll do one more. Between the hours of 4 and 5, our inequality will be x is greater than 4 and less than or equal to 5. So we'll multiply 5 times $7.50, and we have $37.50. So now let's graph these. So here we have 0, or the origin, and 1. We said that our cost was $7.50. So now notice our inequality does not include the number 0, so I'm going to have an open circle at 0, and I'm going to go up to 750, and 750 is between 5 and 10. So we have an open circle there. We'll have a closed circle at 1 because it does include 1, and we're going to put a line between those two. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a step function. So next we have a value of $15 for c of x, and we are going to have an open circle at 1, as indicated here in our inequality, and we're going to have a closed circle at 2, and we'll connect these two. Next we have $22.50, so that's going to be between the values of 20 and 25, and we'll move over here to 2 and place our open circle as indicated in our compound inequality, and a closed circle on 3, and connect these with a straight line or a segment. Next we have a value of $30, so we'll move up to 30 at 3, and we'll have our open circle. Then we have closed circle at 4, and we'll connect these. And finally we have one more. We'll move over to 4 and up to $37.50, which is between $35 and $40. We'll place our open circle, and then we have a closed circle at 5, and we'll connect these 2 points. So notice here we've created a step function.